Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a video call link on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Calls located at the top right of the screen. This will take you to the Calls section. Step 3. Within the Calls section, tap on Create Call Link to initiate the process of creating a video call link. Step 4. Tap on the camera icon to enable your video during the call. Step 5. Finally, tap on Join. To start the video call with the created call link, by following these simple steps, you can easily create a video call link on WhatsApp and initiate video calls with your contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. Creating a video call link on WhatsApp allows you to easily connect with your contacts through video calls, making communication more convenient. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy video calling.